Hello everybody, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Recently, God blessed me with the opportunity to serve in ministry at our church and teach a segment called Styling a Coffee Table. Well, I didn't get to do it as thoroughly as I wanted to. You know how it is when God's women get together. So I'm going to share with you my intentions for that day, and hopefully those members can go back and look at this video. For starters, we have a drum-style coffee table or cocktail table. So imagine your rectangular table being used in a similar fashion. Trays are used to serve items, accentuate, or pull together a theme on a coffee table. So throughout this presentation, you're going to see trays. So think about how they would fit on your coffee table. Decorative boxes are used to store things that may or may not enhance the look that you're going for in your styling. In other words, place matches for candles or remote controls in boxes. And since it is spring, we'll just do a simple floral arrangement using this gorgeous mercury glass vase and these faux flowers that have been with me for some time. To create this floral arrangement, I'm using existing florals and, of course, some paper pressed down into the vase, guys, just crunched all up so I won't have such a low floral arrangement. You want to make sure that the flowers are halfway the vase, and you can see at least half of the stems. That's what makes it so pretty. Now, to finish it off, I found the most delicious smelling candle at HomeGoods, and it just so happened to be in black glass. It's so pretty, and it has that wooden top. A couple of things from Dollar Tree on this table. There's a candle snuffer. They had them in chrome, copper, gold, and matte black for $1.25. And then there are these mirrored tiles here, and you can see those in several DIYs on YouTube, but they're great for coasters. By all means, celebrate your culture, your style on your coffee table. I love this book, Supreme Actresses, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful book. I ordered it from Amazon, and guys, it has a lot of color inside, and I couldn't wait to use it in this presentation. So just taking my book and opening it to one of the pages that will give me the color that I want for my presentation. So the boho beads or farmhouse beads are a dying trend. Okay, well, I got mine last Christmas, so let's use them. But they fit right in with this whole heritage vibe that I have here on our table. Now here's that same book on our coffee table with the DIY floral arrangement, and look how pretty that is, nice and easy. Listen, don't hesitate to use some existing items. If it is an old tray and you have a couple of old books and some old greenery like these topiaries, then go ahead and use them. The new addition is this set of marble chain links and the vase and the candle, and they all tell a story. I've had this tray for a couple of years, and it is still in supply at HomeGoods this year in 3 different sizes. I am going for a more polished element in our home, and I do like to play on these natural elements that are so popular right now. But take a look at this slide where I have the rustic coffee table in a very modern shape, the oval shape, but notice the dough bowl filled with old books, the hammered tray, and a small vessels, and then the top of a globe. This is so amazing. A bowl is a great way to corral decor, and that could be topiary balls, it could be potpourri, it could even be ornaments and things like that that you want to use. So don't just say, I like the trays, but the bowls can be beautiful accents on a coffee table and a dining room table. Although I love pillared candlesticks, I don't have any that look pretty enough to put on a coffee table, but I have these tapered candles, so I'm going to use those. These candlestick holders are from Amazon. They come in a set of 6, and they are absolutely stunning. They have a variety of heights in the entire set. I love a good thrift find. This bowl I got at a local liquidation store and it was less than $10. I've seen it online for $70. I got the deal. When the tray is this pretty, there is very little you need to do to decorate. I did find this nice little sculpture at HomeGoods and I added it. And of course I went back to the original Mercury glass vase and just a little candle. And this is that DIY floral that I did earlier, just sitting it inside the tray. Okay, my glam girls, who loves it? Yes, old Hollywood glam. These items are from HomeGoods, the apple, the vase, and of course the box you've seen before. And all of those colors are in the vase. And pulling those out so you can see that makes such a beautiful statement to me. So I hope you like this. I wanted to have some fun with a little old Hollywood glam using the book, turning it to a page that reflected what I wanted, and a box that I already had, 2 of those boxes, the gold leaf boxes. I found this amazing ombre bowl and matching vase at HomeGoods, and they have that glam factor. I added in some old florals, and this is what I got. I placed the vase in the middle, and all of the other 3 items, they are rounded on a round table. Okay, somebody needs to tell me, are mosaics making a comeback or were these items stuck in storage and just hitting stores? Because I'm seeing these absolutely everywhere. They have the colors teal, blue, white, grays in them, and I thought this would be perfect to play off of just like I did earlier. I saw this little sculpture, it pulled out that blue, that teal that's in the vase, and then I threw in my blue snakeskin box again and added an LED candle, and I thought this was a nice story and it made a statement. And on a regular rectangular table, you could put the blue box on the second shelf or off to the side, and you would still have a very uniformed look. So you have a regular rectangular shaped coffee table. You would love this tray from HomeGoods using those existing florals and the other items from before, and look at it. It just adds so much character. I don't have a large pillared candle. I wish I did, but I'm using what I have here, guys. But I love, love, love this tray. It will be beautiful as a centerpiece runner. It would be beautiful on a console. So what am I saying? The longer you live in your home, the more you'll develop your style and you'll be more resourceful. These flower pots, yes, they came from Home Depot Gardening Center. They have some beautiful ones back there. And I purchased 2 of these navy ones. So I'm gonna go and look for some more. But look how I'm using it to fit in with my everyday decor to develop my theme. There's a book, blue and white on the book, telling my story. I love this, and this is what you're going to learn to do. I hope you'll continue to watch this channel because we're going to have a lot of fun. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.